2015 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front wheel drive, trip computer, compass, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.